Hello scholars, welcome back. We're looking at converting units and we're focusing this morning on the liter. So we're looking at the different denominations of the liter and converting from one to the other, bearing in mind that this is the metric system, so it's in powers of 10. It's very easy to convert because working with powers of 10, we simply, if we're multiplying, we simply move that many places to the right. If we're dividing, we move that many places to the left of the decimal point. If there's no decimal point, we simply add zeros or again keep moving to the left from the end of the number. If you're not familiar with multiplying and dividing by powers of 10, there is a video, there's a series of videos that we have done that you can go check to bring yourself up to speed with how to do that. Now, changing from smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide. Changing from bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. And we can also use the prefixes to help us to tell us how many places we're going to move the decimal point or how many zeros we're going to add. So remember, milli means 1,000th. Centi means 100th. Deci means 1/10th. And you know the liter is the basic unit. Deca means 10. So there are 10 liters in a decaliter. Hecto means 100. So there are 100 liters in a hectometer. And kilo means 1,000. There are 1,000 liters in a kiloliter. Alright, so bearing those things in mind then, how many units in the other, and moving from smaller to bigger unit, we divide, bigger to smaller unit to multiply. So here we're changing these units to liters. Alright, so a milliliter, there are 1,000 milliliters in a liter. So if we're changing from the smaller unit to the bigger, from milliliter to liter, we're going to divide by 1,000. And that will give us 0.002 liters. Okay? Kiloliter to liter. Now from the bigger unit to the smaller, the liter is smaller than the kiloliter, we're going to multiply by 1,000. Kilo means 1,000. So we're multiplying by 1,000. So it will be 0.03 times 1,000. And that gives 3 places, 1, 2, 3, that gives 30 liters. Centiliter to liter, centi means 100. Centiliter is a smaller unit and we're changing to the bigger unit. We're going to divide. So centiliter to liter, we're going to divide by 1,000. And that gives us 3 places to the left, 0.25 liters. Milliliters to liter. Milliliter is a smaller unit. Changing milliliter to liter, we divide by 1,000. Sorry, this should be 100. Sorry. Centi means 100. So that's 2 places, 1, 2. Milli means 1,000, so it's 1,396 divided by 1,000. And that gives us 3 places back, 1.396 liters. Deciliter, that's 1/100th of a liter. 1/10, sorry, of a liter. So it's 512 divided by 10. 1 place back, so that's 51.2 liters. Alright, so remember milli, 1,000th, centi, 100th, and deci, 1/10. Alright? Centi, 100th, milli, 1,000, deci, 1/10. Now kilo. Kilo means 1,000. 1,000. So if we're changing kilometers, kiloliters, to liters, we're multiplying by 1,000. Bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. So that will give 62,000 liters. Hectoliter, again, bigger unit to smaller, we're going to multiply, this time by 100. So 2 places to the right, 31.1 liters. Kiloliter, again, multiply by 1,000. That gives 900 liters. And 4 kiloliters will be 4 times 1,000. That's 4,000 liters. How about if we're changing back to liters? From liter, to another unit. So there are 100, I'm still in meters. Alright, so there are 100 centiliters in a liter. So changing from liter to centiliter, bigger unit to smaller, we're going to multiply. So that gives us 2,000 centiliters. Multiplying by 100, that gives us 2 places, 50 centiliters. 967 liters to centiliters. So that's 96,700 centiliters. And 0.751 liters to centiliters. Multiplying by 100, we get 0. We get 75.1 centiliters. Alright, so liters to centiliters, we multiply by 100 because there are 100 centiliters in a liter. Changing from liters to kiloliters, liters to kiloliters, so we will be dividing by 1,000. When we're dividing by 1,000, we move 3 places back from the decimal point. And 0.09 liters to kiloliters, still dividing by 1,000, moving 3 places back. So that's 1, 2, 3. So we end up with 9 zeros in front of the 9 to kiloliters. So liters to kiloliters, we divide by 1,000. Alright, so I'm just going to demonstrate to you now that when we're adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, liters, centiliters, and so on, since it's already in a base 10 system, and we use a base 10 system ordinarily when we're doing our computation, our arithmetic, we simply just do like we would normally do because it's already in base 10, right? So 7 and 3, 10, put down the 0, carry the 1, 9 and 1, 10 and 5, 15. Remember, there are 100 centiliters in a liter, so this is already, so we have our units, tens, hundreds. So it's already set out in the metric system for us because we use a base 10 system normally, the decimal system. So if we're subtracting likewise, if we're taking 1 out, we carry it as 10 ones and we subtract, okay, just like normal. So I'm just demonstrating to you that there is no conversion needed. Once it's set out according to the place value system, is similar to our regular decimal place value system. 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18, 7 6 is 42, 7 4 is 28, and 4 32. 7 times 0 is 0 plus 3 and 7 2 is 40. Right? So just bear that in mind. We would just do it like we normally do. Once it's set out according to the correct, so 10 milliliters, 1 centiliter, 100 centiliters, 1 liter. Once it's already set out like that, you have no problem. Right? So students, if you have benefited from this video, please drop a comment to say thank you, miss. And please share the video so other students may benefit. And as usual, if you don't see a video that you want, if you have a particular topic that you're struggling with and you need me to do a video on that, just let me know in the comments and I'll gladly do that for you. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so now. So my beloved scholars, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.